mention one thing that I am becoming a huge fan of your glasses.
wait, my glasses or my classes?
Your glasses.
My glasses? Okay.
Glasses.
I have. Hey.
Hello, hi.
How are you doing?
I'm great, and you?
I'm very good. I'm very, very good. How have you been?
Yeah, now I am fine. I'm fit and fine.
Okay, good. Okay,
And
very good.
how about your family? Are
I'm
they fine?
good. Yes, the same. I've been very busy the last month and I haven't been working as much because I have been preparing for a language exam for
Oh,
Spanish.
okay.
And so I took it on Friday. And so
Oh,
that was like a huge weight off my shoulders, right? Like to take this exam and to be done with that.
now the exam is over.
Yes, I'm done. I am done with my classes, right? I was taking classes for Spanish. So I'm done with those, but I'm still
Now,
waiting for my grade. I don't know what grade I got on the
okay.
exam.
But yeah, I think your burden will be over.
You think what?
Your burden in the back.
Yes, my burden. Yeah, my burden is gone, right? Exactly.
And you are
I
just
hope I passed my exam though. I hope I passed
yeah,
it.
I can see the what I say, the excitement to pass the exam.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It was very hard. It was very, very hard. I was doing practice exams. And I was like, okay, I can do this. This is going to be okay. And I was doing well. I was doing okay on the practice exams, but
But when
the real one was harder.
oh, I see.
It was really hard. I was like, oh my god, this is so hard. But it's okay. It's okay.
Sometimes you make me remember the situation that when I think that I have completed all the test examination. Now I will be appearing for the final one.
Mm-hmm.
Then I am quite confident about this situation, about these exams. But when I appear the for the exam, I just taken aback that what is going on. Everything will be messed up in my brain.
A little bit, yes.
But
Yeah.
somehow taking a breath and taking relaxation, now I just I just did my examination well and get a decent mark. That is great.
So, are you saying in your like past experience when you've taken English
Yes.
exams? Okay. Yeah. Have you
When,
taken many exams for English?
uh, no, it is just subject exam.
Okay, okay.
Because in 10th grade I I had 7 subjects including history, geography.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. And next 12th grade higher secondary education, I had exam English and also my field, science field.
Okay.
And oh, I just remember those situations right now.
Yeah. Yeah, so you were studying for like lots of different things at once, not just one class.
Yes.
Yeah. That makes it harder. That makes it
And
harder.
now are you free from burden? Almost, but
Yes.
I'm waiting for the result.
Exactly. I'm done, but just waiting for the results.
Hopefully, you will break the leg.
I hope so. I hope so.
Yeah.
How have you how have you been feeling with your English? Do you feel like your
Yes.
English is improving? Are you feeling good
Yes.
about everything?
Now I gain so much confidence in
Okay.
speaking English. That is, I think, great in my to me, and also because at the beginning of starting this language, starting
Mhm.
learning language,
Mhm.
it, it was quite difficult to speak out in front of the people with different people because some people
Yes.
really making a fun of that.
Yeah.
But I care that I just do my attention to learn English, and also I want to be fluent in English. That is the main goal, and
Hmm.
I am approaching to the goal very soon.
Yes, you are. I would agree. Okay.
Thank you very much. And yeah, when I just make a reservation to you, yeah, I feel that yeah, the class will be fun. The class will be great.
Yeah, yeah. That's how you like how you started.
Hmm.
Yeah, by saying, "Okay, this is going to be fun. I can do this."
Yeah. Okay, so one interesting question is waiting for you
Yeah.
for since 2 months. I think.
Really? Oh my god. Okay, let's hear it.
Okay, yeah. So, do you love? What do you love? To typing or writing?
Typing or
Typing.
writing, like with a old-fashioned pencil.
And also,
Mm.
I will say that the topic will the topic is paper versus screen.
Okay. Am a big fan. I'm a big fan of paper.
Yes, yes,
I'm a big
exactly.
fan of paper. I
Because
always hold a pencil. I
yeah,
always hold a
I,
pencil.
I am just going to say that you always. I notice always that you are holding a pen and book and paper in front of you. So.
Yes. I always write things down, like when someone says something and I want to, just kind of keep it
Mm.
and remember it. Maybe we can
Yes,
talk about it
exactly.
again.
Positive thing of writing is it is really it helps to remember anything
Yes,
easily rather
exactly.
than typing.
Yes, and that's proven. There's studies that have proven that.
Exactly. And
Uh-huh.
yeah, one thing I will say that in type while typing, suppose I type a word
Okay.
on in my mobile, and
Yes.
it will the correct the correct version or the correct uh, word will
Word,
pop
yeah.
up.
Yeah.
Yes, pop up. It's popping up. So I just tap that word, and I think that it is not okay to remember any new word, to remember new words, so that it
Yeah.
actually it make me lazy. I will say.
Yes. Yes, yes. I agree completely with that. So you as well, you like pencil and paper. You like paper.
Exactly. Yes, I like
Okay.
always writing, but sometimes it uh, while in the case of paper, sorry, in the case of screen,
Hmm.
it help you to store anything in a quick way, so that
Yes. I
and
agree.
also I will say that it will suppose a lot of ebooks you can carry.
Yes, yes,
Time.
exactly. Uh-huh. Yeah, you have the ebooks. You can have so many documents,
Yeah, magazines, so many
so
documents.
many things.
Yes, without
Also, no, go
carrying hard
ahead.
copy.
Exactly. I like how the thing I like with typing, for instance, on like a Microsoft Word document, I like how you can write something and if you want to go back the next day, you can put it above, right? You can change the order and then it doesn't end up looking
Exactly.
messy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
But
so I do like that.
I can't that. So everything has pros and cons.
Yes, I would agree. So, well, actually, along with that subject, I mean, do you think right? So you think the autocorrect, the autofill makes us
Alphabetically,
lazy.
but number wise.
So do you think like I don't know, do you think people are kind of losing touch with language, right? Like in English, people are always talking about how everyone is shortening the words, everyone is shortening the phrases, and instead of saying be right back, you say BRB. Things like that, right? Like, do you think those things are
Yes.
good? Do you think those things are bad? Like, what do you think about that?
Yeah, that is really interesting question. Mm, I think that in the at the beginning you should know the proper definition and the
Yes.
proper words in the at
Yes.
the beginning.
Okay.
After becoming pro, you can switch to short form. But will when you will talk to the beginner level speaker, then you
Yeah.
should speak in a proper way. not every, don't use abbreviation, because on that time at the beginning, you do not know the proper abbreviations and also the short form, right?
Hmm.
So you should speak at the beginning, you should speak always full form.
Hmm. I think as well, especially with children, right? I
Yeah,
think
exactly.
with young people, even if it's their first, like their first or their second language, if you don't if they don't learn really how to write the real word and they're just using some texting abbreviation, I
Yeah.
think that's like a crime. Like like I don't know. That I think that's a problem. I think that's a problem that we're facing maybe.
And even also I noticed that the kids are very active in writing short form, but I don't know
Exactly.
the short form of that. So it's
Exactly.
quite amazing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is. It's strange. I just, especially being here on Cambly, right, and talking to people from the whole world, I notice that no matter where in the world you are, I actually usually mostly talk to children. I'm mostly on Cambly Kids, but all the kids are, they're all kind of doing the same things. They're all watching YouTube, they're all playing PlayStation. They all have phones when they're like 10 years old. And I just noticed that all of these, and I'm sure they're all using shortened forms of their language because they're always online. They're all online.
Hmm.
So it's kind of interesting. But
Yeah,
I like paper. I like paper.
I do like paper because
Okay.
uh, it really helps me to remember anything, and I
Yeah.
always keep diary.
Ah, cool. Oh, that one looks so nice. It's like a real book.
Yeah, diary.
A dark, yeah, yeah, yeah. But it looks like it's like a
Yes,
hard cover. Is it a hard cover?
yes, hardcover. Yeah.
Ah, that's nice. Oh, okay, cool.
By the way, I want to mention one thing, that I am becoming a huge fan of your glasses.
Wait, my glasses or my classes?
Your glasses.
My glasses. Ah, okay, okay.
Glasses.
I have four pairs of glasses.
Okay, great, great.
Yeah. I,
And I don't know why, but if you stay in a pressure or stress, you will be glowing, because you are glowing. What is the secret behind this?
I'm glowing.
Yeah, it's
I don't know, maybe it's the light. Maybe it's just the light that's coming in the room.
you set up all the things very in a good way, in a smooth way.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I don't know, keep a balance,
Very
right?
professional, I will say.
I try to keep a balance. I started doing yoga.
Oh, that is a great thing. I do always yoga
Oh,
at the
really?
early morning. Yes,
Every day?
I try, but
Okay.
3 days a week I will definitely do.
Oh, that's really amazing. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
good.
and I feel that I am fit and fine doing
Mhm.
yoga and
Mhm.
also free hand exercise.
Yes. Okay, I understand.
And
Yeah, and of course,
I will recommend you, you should do yoga at least.
I'm
So yeah,
trying.
yes,
I've started, but because of that exam that I had, I kind of stopped. And so
yes,
I'm
yes.
like, "Oh, I have to do it again." Because I really liked it. I really, really liked it, but I need to get back into it. So it's hard
And
when that happens.
yeah, exactly. It is true that uh, doing yoga all the day, it is quite hard. But after doing some days, it will be your habit.
Yeah. It literally like changes your mental
Exactly. It refreshes.
outlook
Yes.
and make it changes your obviously it's obviously physically healthy, but it's super mentally healthy as well.
And it
So
is really lovely to meet you, ma'am. It is
you
so
as
nice, and
well.
I am so uh, blessed to have such wonderful
Oh,
tutor.
thank you. I'm so glad to keep talking to you. Message
Yeah,
me
sure.
whenever you like. We can chat whenever.
Okay.
And I'll
And
keep watching your YouTube videos. I like
thank you
them.
very much. And I will upload very soon. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay, great. Bye,
Take care.
Indrajit.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Ciao.